There goes Josh. Up the hill. There goes Zachy. Here's the family. There's Jet. Whoops, there goes Josh again. Jordan. Lexi. And the Zachmeister. Do, do, do. Are you having fun, Zach? Which way do you want to go? Okay, wait, which way is that? Which way? Why don't you turn? Turn right. Okay, turn right, Zach. No, turn right.